Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and on behalf of Charlie the Cook and Drews cooking channel, I would like to wish you and your family a happy new year. Now, I did cook a little something. Yes, I did. I cooked some cabbage with the pickle meat in it, with the rice and the cornbread. You know, last year I had black eyed peas, so this year I went right back to cabbage. Yeah, but I'm kind of getting back into the groove of cooking and stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the food. So here it is. Okay, here is the food. Now this right here is my cabbage with the pickle tips. Yeah, and here we have the rice, and here's a nice pan of cabbage. I cooked this for somebody, so this is not for me, so of course I had to make cabbage for someone else too. And now this right here is for me. This is the cornbread right here. Look at how beautiful and golden brown that looks. It looks nice. Put in the cast iron skillet and looks good. And that's it. Okay, we're back. Now, let's talk about what to expect in 2019. Now that 2018 is behind us, let's talk about 2019. In 2019, I'm going to continue to do the recipe remakes just as we did in 2018. You know, I have quite a few videos that I want to do over again, even though they're classic videos, but I want to redo them just to give them a refresher and, you know what I'm saying, improve those videos, because a lot of those older videos are like, when I watch them now, I'm like, what was I thinking? Why did I do that? Why did I say that? Oh my God, you know. But yeah, another thing I want to do is vegetarian, vegan, and diabetic recipes. I know a lot of you have been asking me about that, and that is really becoming, especially the vegan recipes, a lot of that is becoming very popular now. I'm going to work on it, but it doesn't guarantee that it will happen because, you know, when I create my recipes, I have to study and I have to know what I'm doing. You know, I want to make sure that the ingredients that I put in are the best ingredients and they are good quality, and I just want to make sure that you know, I know what I'm doing, and that the ingredients that I'm using are true to the cuisine. So, you know, like I said, I'm really looking forward to them. I already experiment with a couple of things. Oh, you know, I should use some of this and this to make some bell peppers. I mean, you know, I'm already coming up with stuff already, you know. Yeah. I also, for 2019, I want to take my channel to the next level. I know I've been doing most of my videos I've been doing in here, inside. So hopefully, there's one video I want to do. It's going to be outside, and it's probably going to be one of my best videos. I just have to have the resources and everything to do it. If I can get everything together, I can do this video. Probably my most expensive video too. Yeah, I do want to take my channel. Like I said, I'm going to be doing more New Orleans recipes. You know, of course, my channel is all about New Orleans recipes, of course, New Orleans food. Yeah. And another thing I want to talk about is the cookbook. I know a lot of people have been asking about this cookbook, you know, and what can I say about that? It's a process, just like my website. You know, I had to learn a lot of stuff. It was difficult, but, you know, it takes time to do. And when I do release the cookbook, it's going to be, oh my goodness, it'd probably be the most anticipated cookbook yet, because so many people have been asking me about it. Well, Charlie, you know, when you're gonna do a cookbook, I can't wait. Let me know when you do it, when you release the book, because I want an autograph. And, you know, that's kind of, you know, kind of crazy. You're like, wait, me giving autographs? But yeah, also another thing is, right now I'm currently at 80,000 subscribers. Woo, woo, woo. You know, so yeah, I'm close to 80,000. Hopefully next year, I have my fingers crossed that I'll be hitting that 100K mark of subscribers. I never thought that I would get there in a million years, and oh my goodness. But I really have to thank you all, my subscribers. You know, you all are what makes me who I am. You know, you watch my videos, you like, you dislike, you comment, you make suggestions, everything, and sharing as well. somebody called. I'm sorry about that, y'all. Had to take me a quick phone call. But anyways, like I said, I want to send a thank you out to all of my subscribers. Thank you all so much. You all make me who I am today. I don't think I'd be where I am doing videos, etc. You know, thanks to you all for liking, the disliking, the comments, the emails, the heartfelt messages, you know, everything. Just thank y'all so very much, you know. And I'm forever grateful. You know, when I first started this channel, I didn't think in a million years that I would even be here. I thought at some point I was just like, just do 5 videos and just leave and not come back. I just didn't expect to even get to this point at all. So, you know, thank y'all so much. Yeah, I can't believe I've been doing this for 5.5 years. You know, I've worked very hard. It's, you know, it's been a lot of up and down times, and you know, and you know, I'm just grateful and thankful for, you know, for you all. So thank you all so much. I know I said it like 4 or 5 times already, but thank you all. You know, yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I do have a little special message that I want to share with you all. I know some of you all might have these New Year's resolutions. New year, new me. No such thing, in my opinion. There's no such thing as a new you. You're always going to be yourself. Always. No matter who you are. If you have a New Year's resolution, you can wait till January 1st. Well, matter of fact, you don't have to. Every day can be the start of a new year for you. Whatever goal or dream that you have for yourself, that you have set out for yourself, go for it. Just do it. Like Nike. You know, if you have any type of, you know, dream or anything, you want to start a YouTube channel, go ahead, start your one. Do, you know, just do something. Do something great and do something positive with yourself. You want for school, do anything you want to do, whatever your heart desires, and as long as you're happy with it, then, you know, go for it, you know. I need to be telling that to myself. But anyways, that's all I want to say. I want to wish you all a happy, prosperous, wonderful, exciting, amazing, happy 2019. And as far as the videos, I will be releasing my videos soon. I just got to get, like I said, I'm just kind of getting back into the groove of cooking and stuff like that. So yeah, should be releasing my videos soon, probably within the next week or so. Only time will tell. And that's it. Peace.